how to add someone on WhatsApp on Android. This tutorial shows you how to add a new contact and start chatting with them on WhatsApp. First, open WhatsApp on your Android device. After that, tap on the plus icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. From there, tap on New Contact, just below the New Group option. At this point, type in the person's first name in the first field. In the next step, add their last name in the second field. Following this, before typing the number, make sure to select the correct country code by tapping on the country code field and choosing the right one. Once done, type in their phone number in the number field. From here, if you want this contact to also be saved to your phone's contact list, toggle on the option at the bottom. Finally, tap Save, and if that person is registered on WhatsApp, they will immediately appear in your chats list and you can start messaging them right away. And that's it. If this WhatsApp guide helped you add someone on WhatsApp, give it a like, subscribe for more WhatsApp tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.